You're about to enter a world where creatures are your best friends, and adventures always just around the corner. Palworld, the virtual pet game that's been making waves, just got a whole lot more interesting. You'll be exploring new lands, raising pets, and uncovering secrets all in a world that's as vibrant as it is mysterious. So, what's new in Palworld? Let's dive in. You've probably heard about the pals, these adorable, mysterious creatures that you can collect, train, and even befriend. But now, with the latest updates, you can do so much more. You can build your dream home for your pals, customize it to your heart's content, and even build a community with other players. Imagine having a pal party, where all your friends come over and you can show off your unique space. But that's not all. Of the new updates also bring in a breeding system, where you can breed your pals to create new, hybrid creatures. It's a game changer, and you'll want to try it out. But here's the thing, it's not just about breeding, it's about creating a family of pals that are truly one of a kind. And with the new exploration mechanics, you'll be able to venture into uncharted territories, discovering new pals, items, and resources. You might stumble upon a hidden cave, or a secret garden, filled with rare pals and treasures. The possibilities are endless, and you'll be on the edge of your seat as you explore this ever-expanding world. But, as you're exploring, you'll also be facing new challenges. Wild pals will be roaming the lands, and you'll need to be careful not to startle them. You might even encounter rival players, trying to sabotage your progress. It's a whole new level of excitement, and you'll need to stay on your toes. So, are you ready to take on the new Palworld? With its stunning graphics, engaging gameplay, and endless possibilities, it's an adventure you won't want to miss. Subscribe for daily entertainment videos.